How to trade stocks. On Pocket Option, you can trade currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. The Trading Assets menu is located in the upper left corner of the interface. Select the Stocks section and choose the stock you want to trade. The profit percentage for each asset is displayed to the right. Once you've made your decision, open a trade by clicking the Buy or Sell button. For quick trades, you can also use features like AI trading, social trading, and signals. How to use AI trading. Start earning with artificial intelligence. Use the AI trading option located between the Buy and Sell buttons on the trading panel. All you need to do is select the trade amount, and the AI will analyze the market and choose the optimal direction for your trade. The AI uses advanced algorithms that consider multiple factors, continuously monitoring the market, allowing for instant reactions to changes. It analyzes market signals, trading strategies, technical analysis, the experience of other traders, and over 100 additional indicators. How to use social trading. The social trading feature allows you to monitor the progress of other traders, view the rankings of the most successful ones, and copy their trades. In this section, you can see how much profit other users make per trade on the trading platform. The ranking shows the most profitable trades and updates every minute. In the drop-down menu, you can see the list of top-ranked traders in the last 24 hours, the top 100 best traders, or the most profitable trades. How to start copying the trades of successful traders? Select a trader in the social trading section and click Copy in the pop-up window. You can adjust the following parameters in the Copy Settings window. The Copy in Proportion setting allows you to customize the percentage ratio between the amount of the copied trade and the original one. The Stop Balance setting allows you to set the balance amount at which copying will be stopped. Here you can set the minimum amount for any copied trade. The next setting allows you to set the maximum amount for any copied trade. Click Confirm to save the settings. The complete list of traders you are currently copying or have copied before is available in the List of Copied Traders section. If you wish to stop copying a trader, open the List of Copied Traders, choose a trader, and click Stop Copying. In this section, you can see everyone who is copying you and also prohibit specific traders from doing so. To follow a trader, simply select their profile and click Watch. The list of watched traders contains a list of traders whose success you are monitoring without copying trades. Customize social trading in a way that works for you. Enable the Display Social Trades function to see other users' trades on the chart. Enable the Watch Copied Trader function so they are automatically added to your watch list. Use the Hide My Profile feature if you do not want other traders to be able to copy your trades. The Show Only Watch Traders function allows you to show only the traders whose trades you are monitoring on the chart. How to use the Fractal Chaos Bands trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Fractal Chaos Bands strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator, created by the technical analyst Bill Williams. The indicator helps identify trend directions and potential market reversals using fractal theory. Fractal Chaos Bands consist of 2 lines that frame the price chart, indicating how chaotic or orderly the market movement is. If the market moves within these lines, it is trending. If the price breaks through one of the lines, it may signal the beginning of a new trend. How to set up the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 2 for increased sensitivity to market changes. Open an up trade when the price breaks above the upper chaos line and starts moving upward. Open a down trade when the price breaks below the lower chaos line and starts moving downward. To improve signal accuracy, use Fractal Chaos Bands in combination with other indicators like MACD or RSI. How to use the DeMarker trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the DeMarker strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the DeMarker indicator, developed by trader Thomas DeMark. The DeMarker indicator helps identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold, allowing traders to spot potential pivot points in the market. DeMarker is based on the comparison of the maximum and minimum prices of the asset for a certain period. It ranges from 0 to 100, with the 30 and 70 levels serving as key decision-making zones. How to set up the DeMarker indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 for more accurate signals on shorter time intervals. Open an up trade when the DeMarker line crosses the 30 level from below. Open a down trade when the DeMarker line crosses the 70 level from above. For increased accuracy, combine DeMarker with other indicators like RSI or moving average. How to use the Bears Power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bears Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bears Power indicator developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bears, that is sellers, in the market by measuring the difference between the minimum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bears are dominant. If it's negative, the bulls are dominant. How to set up the Bears Power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the Bears Power indicator crosses the 0 line from below, confirming increasing bear strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the 0 line from above, indicating weakening bear strength. For greater accuracy, use Bears Power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. How to use the Bulls Power trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bulls Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bulls Power indicator, developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bulls, i.e. buyers, in the market by measuring the difference between the maximum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bulls are dominant. If it's negative, the bears are dominant. How to set up the Bulls Power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the Bulls Power indicator crosses the 0 line from below, confirming increasing bull strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the 0 line from above, indicating weakening bull strength. For greater accuracy, use Bulls Power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. How to use the Keltner Channel trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Keltner Channel strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Keltner Channel indicator, developed by Chester Keltner in the 1960s, which helps traders identify when an asset's price deviates from its average, which can signal a possible trend reversal. The indicator consists of 3 lines, a middle line based on the exponential moving average, EMA, and 2 outer lines that are created using the ATR, average true range, indicator, and a multiplier. How to set up the Keltner Channel indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 20, the ATR period to 10, and the multiplier to 2. Open an up trade when the price touches the lower channel line and starts moving upwards. Open a down trade when the price touches the upper channel line and starts moving downwards. For increased signal accuracy, you can combine the Keltner channel with other indicators like RSI or MACD. How to use the awesome Oscillator trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the awesome Oscillator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the awesome Oscillator AO indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify changes in market dynamics and possible trend reversals. The indicator consists of a histogram showing the difference between the 34-period and 5-period simple moving averages, or SMA. How to set up the awesome oscillator for quick trades. Set the default parameters 5 and 34 periods. Open an up trade when the AO crosses the zero line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when AO crosses the zero line from top to bottom. Use the awesome oscillator indicator together with other indicators such as parabolic SAR or Bollinger Bands to increase the accuracy of signals. How to use the Fractal Trading Strategy. Today we will show you how to use the Fractal strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the fractal indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify potential trend reversals on the chart. It consists of 5 candles or 2 periods. The middle candle is the highest or lowest, and on both sides of it are 2 candles with lower highs or higher lows. How to set up the fractal indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 5. Now the fractal consists of 11 candles. Open an up trade on the second candle after the fractal if the first candle closed above the level of the middle fractal candle. Open a down trade on the second candle after the fractal if the first candle closed below the level of the middle fractal candle. In both cases, this is called confirmation of the fractal level breakdown. For increased signal accuracy, use the fractal indicator together with other indicators, such as moving average or RSI. How to use the SuperTrend trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the SuperTrend strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the SuperTrend indicator, which was developed by Olivier Sabin and helps to identify trends in the market. How to set up the SuperTrend indicator for quick trades. Set the ATR period to 10 and the multiplier to 3. Open an up trade when the price crosses the SuperTrend line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the price crosses the SuperTrend line from top to bottom. Combine SuperTrend signals with other indicators such as moving average or ADX to improve accuracy. How to use the Accelerator Oscillator trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Accelerator Oscillator AO strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Accelerator Oscillator developed by the famous technical analyst Bill Williams. The AO helps identify changes in price momentum and potential trend reversals. It consists of a histogram with red and green bars that show acceleration, green bars, or deceleration, red bars, of the market movement. Setting up the Accelerator Oscillator for quick trades. Use the default settings: AO short period at 5, AO long period at 34, AC SMA period at 5. This will generate the AO histogram. Pay attention to the green and red bars on the histogram. Open an up trade when the histogram bar changes from red to green, indicating an increase in bullish momentum. Open a down trade when the histogram bar changes from green to red, indicating an increase in bearish momentum. Combine Accelerator Oscillator signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the ROC Trading Strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the rate of change, or ROC strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the ROC indicator, which was first proposed in the works of Dr. Alexander Elder. The ROC indicator measures the rate of change in the price of an asset over a certain period and shows the percentage change in price, helping to determine the strength of the trend. How to set up the ROC indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 7 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch how the ROC line crosses the zero line. Open an up trade when ROC rises above the zero line. Open a down trade when ROC falls below the zero line. These signals indicate the beginning of a new trend. Combine ROC signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the envelopes trading strategy. Today we'll show you how to use the envelope strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the envelopes indicator, which was first used by Chester W. Keltner. The envelopes indicator consists of 2 SMA lines that frame the price chart. It helps to determine when the price of an asset becomes too high or too low compared to the average price. How to set up the envelopes indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements and set the percentage deviation at 0.05%. Watch how the chart crosses the SMA lines. Open an up trade when the chart crosses the SMA from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the chart crosses the SMA from top to bottom. Combine envelope signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. Learn how the RSI and MACD indicators work in these videos. Try it now. Follow the link in the description.